Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study for anatomy and physiology. To truly master A&P, active learning is key. Don't just read, interact with the material. Try drawing out complex systems like the circulatory or nervous system, labeling each component. Make flashcards for hundreds of terms, ensuring you can recall definitions quickly. Explaining concepts to a friend or even to yourself aloud can reveal gaps in your understanding. Regularly testing yourself with practice questions will also significantly boost your retention. Maximizing your study time involves smart techniques. Instead of cramming for hours, aim for focused study sessions of 45 to 60 minutes, followed by a short break. Mnemonics are incredibly powerful for remembering things like the cranial nerves or bone names. Visual learners will benefit immensely from using anatomical models, charts, and even online three-dimensional simulations. Make it a habit to review new material within one day of learning it, to prevent the forgetting curve from taking hold. Leveraging all available resources can make a significant difference. Attending every lecture and lab is non-negotiable. These are your primary sources of information. Forming a study group of 3 to 5 people allows for diverse perspectives and collaborative problem solving. Don't hesitate to visit your professor or teaching assistant during their office hours. They are there to help. Additionally, many excellent online resources, including detailed video tutorials and interactive anatomy applications, can supplement your learning. Finally, your well-being is crucial for sustained academic success in A&P. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. A well-rested brain retains information much better. Fuel your body with nutritious food and drink plenty of water to maintain energy levels. Regular physical activity, even a 20-minute walk, can significantly reduce stress and enhance cognitive function. Remember to schedule short, enjoyable breaks and leisure activities to avoid burnout and keep your motivation high.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.